Living in a Whitefield is great, but living in a space that's actually green and peaceful with lake view is something different experience altogether. This is Prestige Evergreen Park. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be doing the project overview in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project, and right now we are here on the actual site of our project, and this will be the main entrance of our project, that is Prestige Evergreen Park. And the land parcel starts from here itself and goes up to 24 acres, and the marketing office is just over this side in just 50 meters. Now before moving further, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview via this 3D model. And the project is spread across 24 acres of massive land parcel consisting of 14 towers of 2 basement, ground plus 19 floor, offering you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus study room and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now let's discuss about the location part, and the project is located bang on Whitefield Worthur Road in Whitefield East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and the main entrance of Prestige Evergreen Park is just behind me over here. And now about the road. So this is the Whitefield Worthur Road, and this road will connect you towards Whitefield, and the opposite side road will take you towards Worthur. Now about the further connectivity and location part. So you can connect to Manipal Hospital in just 1 kilometers. Nexus Whitefield is 1.6 kilometers away, and Hope Farm Metro Station is just 4 kilometers away from the project. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project offers you luxurious world-class amenities like of a huge luxury pool. Here's a kids pool as well. Temperature control pool. Library. Cafeteria, co-working space, kids play area and many more. Now let's discuss about the super built-up area, and Prestige Evergreen Park offers you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus study room and 4 BHK premium residencies, where 1 BHK is of 659 square feet. 2 BHK starting from 1177 goes up to 1194 square feet. 3 BHK of 1461 to 1951 square feet. 3 BHK plus study room is 1991 and goes up to 2037 square feet. And 4 BHKs of 2271 and goes up to 2513 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and currently our project booking window is open now, and we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the model apartment as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a complete project overview of Prestige Evergreen Park by Prestige Group located in Whitefield East, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.